Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary concept that might just change the game for space exploration and beyond. Imagine a robot that doesn't rely on batteries, but instead harnesses the power of the wind to explore some of the harshest environments out there. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi novel, right? Well, it's not fiction anymore. Let's uncover the genius behind this innovative design. So, the big idea here is a 3D, printed robot, creatively named Wanderbot, that's designed to conquer extreme terrains on Earth and beyond. The brainchild of researchers at Cranfield University, this little guy is a game-changer for several reasons. Firstly, it's all about sustainability. By using wind power, Wanderbot eliminates the need for batteries, which is a huge deal when you're talking about long-term exploration missions. No more worrying about battery life or carrying heavy power sources. The beauty of this robot lies in its simplicity and adaptability. It's entirely 3D printed, which means it can be repaired on-site, even in remote or extraterrestrial locations. This is a massive advantage over traditional space hardware, which often requires specialized tools and expertise for repairs. If something breaks, you don't need to wait for a mechanic from Earth. You can just print a new part and get back to exploring. This print-as-you-go approach could be a game-changer for space missions, making them more efficient and cost-effective. Now, let's talk about efficiency. In most robots, movement consumes a significant chunk of battery power. Wanderbot sidesteps this issue entirely by using a Savonius wind turbine and the ingenious Jansen linkage, a multi-legged mechanism that's a work of art in itself. This mechanical combo ensures the robot's movement is entirely wind-driven, leaving more power for onboard electronics. Plus, it avoids the performance decay associated with solar panels or nuclear generators, ensuring a longer operational life. What I find truly fascinating is the potential this technology unlocks. Dr. Saurabh Upadhyay from Cranfield University highlights the challenges of robotic exploration, especially in terms of battery life and repairability in harsh environments. Wanderbot addresses these challenges head-on. It's like a breath of fresh air in the field of robotics, quite literally powered by the wind. This design could open doors for exploring regions that are currently off-limits due to logistical challenges. While it's still in its early stages, Wanderbot has already made waves at the European Space Agency's ASTRA conference. The next step is to enhance its maneuverability, teaching it to turn and navigate complex terrains. I can't wait to see how this technology evolves and the impact it will have on our understanding of the universe. This is a prime example of how innovation can overcome some of the biggest hurdles in space exploration. In summary, Wanderbot is a brilliant demonstration of sustainable, adaptable technology. It's a robot that's designed to explore, not just in theory but in practice, and it does so with a unique, wind-driven approach. This is the kind of innovation that gets me excited about the future of space exploration. So, what do you think? Are we looking at the future of robotic exploration? Hit me up in the comments with your thoughts and let's keep this conversation going.